All right.
What do you drive?
What's up?
What do you drive?
Just a van. It's over there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Smart.
Well, it's my parents' car. It's not mine, but.
Oh, yeah? That's even smarter.
Yeah, this is test riding a Triumph 660 Sport Tiger.
You have a quick shifter.
Yeah.
Up and down. Won't be a super long ride, but it'll be enough for you to see how the bike feels though and everything, alright?
Okay. Let's go, man. This is Gavin at Soso. Super cool, super nice. Okay, yeah, the legroom is actually nice on this thing now. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Not even a block in, man. Not even a block in. Yeah. I made my decision already. Oh my god. Yes. Incredible. Yeah, I made my decision. Oh my god, man. Okay, yep. Quick shifter is butter. Absolutely butter. I thought the legroom, the shifter positioning was bad, but this is perfect. It's perfect. Yeah, I made my decision already. This is it feels like the MT-09, just wider handlebars and more comfortable. Oh man, yeah, the throttle is great on this. I think I'm in rain mode right now. I was in sport, but my foot slipped off the shifter. Friction zone is really nice on this. Okay, yep. First to second is perfect on this, man. Especially at lower revs, it's like, it's great. I love how, like, with Soso, you can, I didn't know this, but you could test ride it, like, without having payment. It's, I don't know, like, with the other dealership, you had to do that. And I think it's awesome that Soso does this, man. Because I get to experience other bikes, and I think I've made my decision. Fuck the trends out, respectfully, but I mean, it's not even, I'm not even in the rev range. Like, it's just butter. I don't want to like speed, because it's like an escorted ride, so I'm not trying to like be like a hooligan or anything, but I want to experience like the power. So far it feels great, dude. This is absolutely incredible. Triumph, man. I love this bike, dude. Yeah, British engineering, dude. I noticed the difference between Japanese bikes and this. It's like, this just feels more, I don't know, even with the MT-09, it feels more refined. Like if they focus on the rider and not just the performance. Like, I don't know. So far, 5 minutes in, I want this thing now. Like, yeah, my goal is to just buy something that's gonna be here for a while, and so far this checks all the boxes. Okay, now that I'm riding it, the shifter is absolutely incredible. When I was sitting on it on the dealer, it was like I couldn't get my foot under properly, but I think it's awesome that we are able to do this. Like, this doesn't feel like the MT-09. It feels like less jolty. I'm trying to use the quick shifter just to like see like how smooth it is, and it checks all the boxes for me, dude. This is really nice quick shifter, just a nice bike in general. Sport mode in this is plenty, dude. I love this thing, man. Oh my god. The windscreen's perfect too. I don't mind it. Like, if I wanted to, yeah. It's like quiet. It's just nothing. And then when you get out of it, it's like there's wind, but it's like perfect. Devin is the plug, man. I don't know. Like, I tried to request a test ride a couple months ago. Not for this bike, but just for like a test ride or whatever. Triumph, you did amazing on this. That's all I gotta say. This is an absolute pleasure to ride. Amazing. Yeah? Dude. Felt like a minute in, I was like, dude.
That's awesome. I can tell you liking it.
I know. Yeah. Yeah, the throttle is like great. Easy to find neutral too. It's nice. It's got everything. I want to do a launch, but I'm not going to do it. Yeah. Woo! Incredible, man. Incredible. That's all I can say. I say it about like a lot of the bikes that I ride, but this might take the cake. Like, I'm being so serious. When I rode the Transalp, like, the quick shifter was like the same. Honestly, the cut was like too much, but this is like, this is really nice. This is great. He's on a 0. Yeah. Auto blip is great. It feels like the GSX 8R, but it's like just refined. It's more refined. Gets into gear perfectly. Like the throw, like the shifter amount, like the threshold is absolutely insane. Like I don't even feel it go into gear, but I like feel like it's engaged, I guess. Like it's great. It's fucking great, man. Go on the highway. Yes. Yeah, this bike checks all the boxes for me. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, the wind's not even bad, dude. It's not bad. I get some buffeting in my helmet, but yeah. Feels better than the Transalp. I don't even think I need to put it in rain mode, and this feels like the power's there. It's just like, it's easy, it's just a comfortable bike. Yeah, Triumph made a gem, honestly. I'm so glad that I tried this at least, just to yeah. Yes. It's at the max setting for the windscreen, and it's honestly pretty good. It gets it off my body, but it like kind of has it on my head, which I don't really care for. I'll have earplugs in, so. Yeah. So glad I test rode this, man. It just, I want this like now. I want to get the MT-03 fixed because we went on a long trip, and then we put a new taillight in, and then all of a sudden it doesn't start now. So I gotta find out what the issue is with that, but the clutch is really nice too. It has like a nice, I can grab it easily. So yeah.
like it.
Yeah, this is it. Once I don't know, once I get the bike to start, I'll write it down and then I want to trade it in, but like,
Yeah.
I don't know if you're like, you can put it on hold or something.
So